Well, we are exactly 1 week out now from the start of the trial of Derek Chauvin. He is the former Minneapolis police officer seen on video kneeling on the neck of George Floyd for several minutes, eventually killing him. Floyd's death set off months of racial justice protests across the city and really around the country and world. Right now, Minneapolis City Council, as we speak, meeting to hear about the plans and preparations for that trial. You can see it live happening right now. It is a virtual meeting. And according to the Star Tribune, the paper of record in Minneapolis, the city has already put up barricades and barbed wire around public buildings there. Activists have criticized these steps. One organizer telling the newspaper, quote, "They are more afraid of the people than they are of police violence." NBC's Cal Perry is following all of it for us. And Cal, in just a few hours, prosecutors will be arguing to reinstate a third-degree murder charge against Chauvin. Walk us through that. Walk us through what we can expect leading up to this trial next week.
Absolutely. So first, on the legal side, what we will see today is a fairly boring Zoom meeting between the prosecutors, the defense, and a three-panel judge from the Minnesota Court of Appeals. And what the prosecution is asking for is a reinstatement of third-degree murder charges. Originally, Derek Chauvin was charged with second-degree murder, second-degree manslaughter, and third-degree murder. It was a Hennepin County judge that removed those third-degree murder charges. That is what is being appealed today. It may sound like a small thing. Those third-degree murder charges come with 150 months in jail. That is the sentencing recommendation in Minnesota. So that is 12 and a half years. It will not be an evidentiary hearing. We won't see witnesses. It will be this appeals. And we can expect a decision fairly quickly, as it seems like the Attorney General wants to get this trial started on Monday, which is what brings us to how the city and really the state are preparing. We are talking about a massive security operation. They have called this Operation Safety Net, and it could see, according to the mayor, some 3,000 law enforcement on the streets of Minneapolis being coordinated between 12 different agencies. So we are talking about National Guard plus a mix of local law enforcement. That operation is well underway, Craig. The street in front of the courthouse today has already been shut. The main government center in Minneapolis, the Hennepin County Government Center, which has the courthouse and the local jail, is already seeing security be put in. We're already seeing those barricades, that wire being put in, and we're seeing it at the state capitol as well. It is worth mentioning in part of the reporting of this story that we still have to wait and see if we will have federal charges against Derek Chauvin. The Biden administration has said they will make civil rights a priority. We know that there is grand jury stuff underway. The timing of that is very unclear, but as we watch this trial unfold, and starting Monday, we'll have 3 weeks of picking a jury. As we watch this trial unfold on television, and it will be broadcast, we should keep in mind that we are still waiting for the possibility of federal charges, Craig.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.